Maddie. Who's in the bathroom? Pop Pop. Where is he? Show him the laugh.
Do this.
Maddie, how's a birdie go? How's a cow go? Come here, look at my mom. Show me, where's Brenna? Where? Who is it?
Fanny.
Hi, Brent. What do you say to her? Maddie, what do you say to her? Hi. Who is this? Who is this? Maddie. Who's this in the picture? Who's this? Maddie. Chiclet.
It's Fanny.
I want you to hear. I say Aunt Fanny. Aunt Brenna. Can you give her a kiss? Look. Mads. Give her a kiss. Aw, who's that? Who is that? Aunt who?
Fanny.
Aunt Brenna.
Brenna.
Brenna? Ah. Oh.
Aunt Brenna.
Say I love you, Brenna.